To update company in WEBtender, click the company link. You can update company name, address, zip code, postal. You can also update secondary address, your WAT number, contact email, billing email, your company URLs and phone, and then click save. To update company disclaimer, click the disclaimer panel. Here you can edit disclaimer. Then click the save button. To update company logo, select a file, then click the save file button. To update company disciplines, click the disciplines panel. Here you see the discipline categories. Click on one of those lines and you can add new disciplines. You can also remove disciplines. This will be saved as changes are applied. To change project number settings, you can enter a new project start number. It has to be higher than the last project entered. You can enter increment, offer start number, increment, and sub-offer start number and increment. To update date settings, click the date settings panel. You can enter a project due date and then project expiry date, and offer due date and offer expiry date. To update discount settings, here you can select between discount group, lowest and highest, and this will be used in the sub offers. To update standard margins, level 1, level 2, and this will give you the red, yellow and green lines in sub-offer, offers and sums. To change a desired win percentage, enter a new number and click save. To update project types, click the project types panel. You can enter a new project type and click the save button. Then you can see you can set it active or not active, or use it as a default project type.